Welcome to KAiZEN's step-by-step guide to eSign documents. In this quick walkthrough, we'll show you how to send and sign documents seamlessly within Salesforce. First, select the account and choose the document you want to send for eSignature. Next, head to the recipient section to add or create a recipient. Enter the subject and message, then click Send Now to dispatch the document. That's it for the sender's steps, quick and easy. Now, let's switch to the recipient's view. The recipient opens the document, fills in the required fields, adds their signature, and clicks Submit. Once done, the sign status updates to Signed, and the recipient can review or download the completed document. With KAiZEN, e-signing in Salesforce is simple, secure, and efficient.